Good morning, everyone. The sun's out, the FRS is out, and we got another vlog. But our first order of business is going to get coffee. I also need a car wash desperately. The dirt is definitely there. Be on the inside too, but look at what we got. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Got their house coffee, so good. Today I'm gonna be telling you guys the #1 car mod that you need on your car. I feel like I haven't filmed a video in forever. The last video I uploaded was actually from a couple months ago, I think in like March. I actually recently moved, so I've been doing that. No longer have a garage, sadly, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't have any tools or anything for my car here. I don't even have my jack here. I need to go get that. It's still at my dad's house, so I need to bring that over here whenever I can. I have been posting a lot on my Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me, go follow my Instagram. And on TikTok, I want to talk about the most important car mod that every single car should have, in my opinion. If you don't have one and you're watching this, this is your sign to go get one. We need to have our cars with dash cams. We need it for safety, some peace of mind, some reassurance. Honestly, Tiger actually sent me out this camera to test out, so I'm gonna test it out for you guys and see my thoughts on it. Also, can we talk about that my dogs literally destroyed this box? Yeah, so this is Redtiger's F17 Elite camera. It shoots in 4K. It has a night mode. What I like about it, and that I've never actually had in a dash cam, it has a dual facing camera. It gets all the inside cabin view and it gets everything in front of you on the road. Of course, the rear dash cam to go in the back. Trying to put the mic on me. Hopefully it sounds good still. This looks so nice. This looks fancy. Look at this. It's a little screen. Does come with a memory card as well, which a lot of dash cams actually don't for some reason. This camera actually has voice control up here. It's gonna be really cool to play around with because I've never seen that either or had that. So that's something new. Then the little mini one is the rear dash cam. Oh my God, it's so small and cute. This is what this box comes with: adhesive, rear camera cord, and some cable clips. I'm just gonna be getting 24/7 POV driving shots of me. That's gonna be funny. Just turn it on. Ooh, Redtiger. We got the cable for the rear camera labeled for you, so I'm just gonna connect to the rear one. Oh my gosh, it's me. Okay, I think I want it right here. Electrostatic. Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay, okay. Now you can see me with the rear camera. I think that's basically it. That was easy. That was really, really easy. All the product details, if you guys want to see that. Take a picture. I don't gotta say anything. I thought you were gonna be like, hey, Redtiger, take a picture. Like Siri or Alexa, but no. Turn off screen. Oh, nice. Turn on screen. Okay, okay. All the actions you can have it do. Oh, show front camera. I'm gonna download the app. It's gonna be nice. So, the app's called Redtiger Cam. There it is, my dash cam. Bottom of the app, you could see all of the dash cam footage already. So everything that, since I have connected the camera and turned on the car, everything is being recorded already. Oh my God, it recorded me struggling to get to the back seat. I need to hide all of this wire, and I think it's gonna be pretty simple. You just have to basically tuck it in. This little tool is gonna do all the work for you. And just start basically shoving it in there. This is what we're going for. I'm gonna go all along this. We got all the back wire gone, non-existent now. I'm so excited to play around with it. Definitely check out Redtiger. Again, the one that I have is the F17 Elite. It has everything you could possibly need in one dash cam. So let's go on a little drive and see some of the clips that this camera can get. it's the next day, so we're gonna get the driving clips today and see how they go. We're gonna be all around, so we're gonna really put this camera to the test right now. It's gonna be my new little lipstick mirror. Touch up.
looking to add more stuff to your car, definitely consider adding a dash cam. So treat yourself, treat somebody. This makes a perfect gift as well. I'll leave the link to the Redtiger dash cam. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!